Hi, it's Amelia Franke again and welcome back to my channel. This afternoon I will make a treat for my grandkids, after school treats. So I will make crepes. So I will put this milled flaxseed. So ito yon, ito na siya. 3 tablespoons of hot water and then 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, milled flaxseed. And after 4 or 5 minutes, ito na siya. It's look like a gel. So I will put this here. And I just have 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs, and 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 cup water. And I will put a pinch of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. So flaxseed, it's a good source of fiber, rich in healthy fats, omega-3 and 6, and it's a gluten-free. So I will start with the wet ingredients. Put 1 cup of water. I will put 2 eggs. Sometimes I put 3, but now I will put 2. And sometimes I put milk, but now I just put water because I don't have any more milk. So 2 tablespoons or 1/8 cup of oil. And I will just put 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla flavor and a pinch of salt. Put another one. So I will put this now. I will put it all together. 1 cup of flour. And I will put now this. Ay ko na siya. Sabay-sabay na. Dahil gutom na sila. They wanna eat now. Okay. That's it. So I don't even have to tackle it later. Tackle it. I'm not gonna tackle it. Just scrape a little. And we will go here. Ayan. Mainit na siya. Lagay natin sa medium. So I will use 2. I will use this one first to scrape it and then okay? Hindi ko na siya tatakalin. Ayan.
No water's on the house. It's not a house. It's a theme park. No, I said it's a movie theater.
Yan, kapag medyo wala akong apoy. Kapag medyo ano na siya, dry na siya, we can flip it up. Or I can flip it up. Hindi pa siya masyadong ano. Kita ba? Purong natin. Let's move it closer. Ayan. And then I will put peanut butter before I roll it. They like peanut butter. Or they like the chocolate. It's still not not quite.
Wait, you have to be on the mountain.
Let's have some fire.
Then you have to start a new one.
Okay. I think this is okay. It's not okay. That's fine. 1, 2, 3. Flip up.
Ready.
That's fine
Wait.
for now.
Set. Ate. Your mom. Sway. Go.
Ayan. Para nasa middle. Para siyang pancake pero manipis lang.
Ate, wait. Pause. Pause. Let me get back. Go back to the room.
Oh.
And then... Oh, no. Oh, this is how I can go.
Okay, this is fine.
That's what I added that because there's a foot so of course.
Now, let's put another one. One more. Baka masunog. Ate,
Yes.
you want your crepes now?
I said I want noodles. I already ate so many grapes. Oh, the force field.
Ayan.
Always.
They love this. Yan.
I think always. Ate?
Ay, kita.
No, you
It's
cannot do that.
It's too bright.
Okay,
You know what? I forgot to put this. Let's see. What's the difference? It's almost the same.
Did you want
1, 2, 3. Here, ate. Are you fighting?
No.
No? Not fighting.
Can I have noodles later?
It looks pretty. It's a little burn. It's not much. That's fine. Okay. So because I put already oil, and this is non-stick pan, I don't have to keep on putting oil. But once a while I have to.
Oh no, my nuts!
Spread. Ready? Ay, hati. Ay, nahati. Anyway, nahati siya. That's okay. One.
At the same but no, with the B, then add the M.
Okay, I make a boo-boo here. I make a boo-boo here. This one. Nagkahati-hati. Hold on.
It's why you ever listen to always.
Nahati-hati.
Drobe. It drobe.
That's okay. I'm not gonna sell it. We're just gonna eat it.
I see that one. This? Yeah.
The first two is good. Ate, please. Put it lower.
Jimmy, put it lower.
Thank you. Okay, this is fine. And this is mine. Let's put a little.
What was that? My favorite show of the world.
Okay. I was gonna put it all because it's not much. Because I use the small burner. Excuse me. I use the small burner. So this, kahit na ano na siya, pwede pa rin siya. Paano mo siyang ganyan? Lagay mo yung peanut butter. Oh, ayan. Okay. How is this gonna be? Dalawa ginagamit ko minsan kasi minsan mahirap siyang anuhin eh. Ayan. Okay. Kapag ipi-flip, 1, 2, 3. Ayan. There you go. So, gusto nila to, breakfast, at saka anytime. Breakfast, snack, even dinner, they like this. Oh, you want another one?
No.
No more, that's it?
Yes.
Okay. Because we don't have much. So, this two is mine. That's it. There's not much here. That's okay. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Ilagay ko na yung tira. Sayang. Konti pa. It's the version, thin version of the pancake. Pero, we don't have to put the, ang tawag doon, syrup. Yan. It's melt on your mouth. I forgot that I turned this off already, but it's okay. It will cook. Thank you for watching, guys. Let's eat crepes. See you in my next video.